If you still can't believe people are using their pet's name as a password, you already understand why cybersecurity matters at scale.
At ENISA, you'll work with leading experts to strengthen Europe's cyber resilience and help improve preparedness for real-world cyber attacks. We need people with a fresh perspective, not to watch the future happen, but to build it.
ENISA is looking for recent graduates in the EU ready to work on real projects with an impact on 450 million people. Based in Athens and Brussels. Whatever your background is, there's a place for you here. You'll rotate across units, work with different EU agencies, and learn from the specialists shaping cybersecurity.
ENISA offers 6-month paid traineeships, extendable up to 12 months. Sounds like your place? Apply before 8 January 2026. And don't wait until the last minute!